How to create a blog in Framer. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So let's teach you how you will be able to utilize Framer over here and how you will be able to create your own blog. So utilizing Framer is very simple and very straightforward. So what we're going to do first is we're going to identify what we want to have in our page over here. We could do this by simply clicking on insert over here on the top left. In the insert, you will be able to find under the basics the different parts of what you will find in a website, such as the navigation, the news, and so on and so forth. Now, focusing on blogs, it will be focused on text, images, and other types of media that is involved with your blog. So you could easily do that with the media section over here for our images. And for our text, you could easily add it through our text option over here. So let's build our site first. For example, let's get some headers over here. There we go. And let's get some sections over here. So we want some introduction or a top part for our blog over here to introduce our topic. So we have different options over here. So we could choose between any of our options. We could also explore our different elements over here that could improve or help us with our design. So we have some hero stuff here. Let me delete that. Anyway, let's use text for now. So let's click on text over here and just simply put it on your page over here. So let's say blog title as one of our option. And now we have this text up here or section over here. So now you're going to look over here on the right side wherein you will be able to modify our options. So we could click on absolute over here, which will allow us to change the position, and of course we're going to enlarge it. You can put it wherever you want. We're going to highlight this and we're going to change the font into something more title like, or we could also change the weight over here. So let's go with bold. There we go. And let's give it some style. I guess we could just underline this if we can. I guess we're not. Anyway, we have our title over here. You could choose and customize it however you want over here on the right side. Now let's add another thing here. Let's click on insert. Let's add our image. So we have different options of media over here. We have video and image over here, or even GIF. So for our image over here, we're just going to select that. Let me go to pixels over here so that we could get some images, free images we could download. Over here, for example, this one, downloading that. Now going back here, just going to put it here. So there's a limit in Framer over here on how big you could put a file in. So let's go try and use another photo here. So let's go with something like this. We download. And let's go back here. Attach our image to our frame over here. Go. One smaller. This one. Going to double click this. Choose. Select our image. There we go. And now we have our image over here. So simply drag it into our page. Once again, we're going to change this to absolute. And we're just going to put it where you want it to occur or to be placed in. So let's say I'll put it this way, like that. And then you can add some different effects over here if you want later on, like some overlays, effects over here, like hover and so on and so forth when you put it on your website or when you try it out. You could also add some shadows over here just to help with our effect. There we go. Let me select our entire thing here, and let's enlarge it a bit. There we go. And now you're just simply going to add once again text here, like your content. So content of your blog or whatever your blog would be. Of course, this one won't be as big or should be as big as the other one. So this one should be way smaller. So we're going to change this to absolute again. And for our size, we're going to modify that in a bit. Go. So this is where it will be, of course. you will have a very long blog in this entire section over here. Imagine that it's in this entire area. And what we could do next is we could now add other parts of our website. So we could click on sections once again. You could add something like this one, which is going to let's select this, put it down, or this should be below here, but let's select this one first, absolute, and let's just drag it over here. So this could be like your page or section of your page where you could redirect other people or people to another blog of yours. So you could simply say this is for another blog. So let's say blog number 1, and this one would be blog number 2. Now you could add your images, so on and so forth. And for this entire thing, you could, since this is grouped, you could add a link here, and then you could just put in the link or the page of which the other blogs are located. You could add another section here, like our entire option here, add section. And what we're going to add next is something of a header or like an outro. So let's say contacts, something like that. Outro. You could choose any outro that you want. Let's go with this one. That just have. I'll just add it or insert it over here. Sections. There we go. And we're just going to adjust this directly instead. Longer. Let's put it back to the top. And let's just put this, our contact here, into our website. On absolute so that we could adjust it. And there we go. So now you could easily create or customize your blog templates into something however you want. You could modify and add different parts. You could use our different elements available over here, have your content available, and so on and so forth, have your promotion available, and etc. And you could now create a very simple template for all types of your blog. Of course, the blog that we have just created is actually very simple. There's way more things that you could do with our Framer, especially when it comes to interactions and how your website reacts. But that's basically it for now. We could also do is check out some layouts over here, or actually just some pages over here that could allow you also to have an idea on what you could have, something like this. To save your time, maybe something like this. As you can see, there's a blog article available already for you to check out. Click on insert blog article. Well, it's not working right now, but we also have a layout for blog article, which is really great. We also have this sidebar over here that you could have, and you could also add some image blogs over here, and so on and so forth. So that's basically it, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.